Hi, myself Muhammad Noman. I'm from Hyderabad. So basically, I came here for Surat for this ECM repairing course. So I have searched in Google. So my family background was in automobile industry in Saudi Arabia. So my father said to there is more scope in ECM. So I thought, so I have searched in Google regarding where is this course in ECM. So I have seen in Google and I have searched a lot. So I finally got institute in Surat I have found. So from past 20 to 25 days I have learned a lot from here, like in practical and as well in ECM repairing. So uh, and moreover is I have learned so many things in this, like how to solder it and everything, like how to, what about resistor, capacitor, everything, what all in ECM they are teaching us very well and very in professional manner and everything. So my aim was this to uh, repair ECM and in electronics. So nowadays everything as well as in vehicles and everything there are going on electric vehicles, and so basically this is very demand in future. There is very demand for this, so we have to so I have learned a lot from this. So basically I have question so many times for sir, in polite way they are explaining going on, and they are very polightful and they are very well experienced sir, and special credits go to Shanawaz sir. I learned a lot from him, and as well Saddam sir in ECM repairing course. They helped me a lot in this, and by step I came to know everything. So what all doubts I have, so they said me everything what I have doubts, everything going on 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, every time in very polite way. So they are very polightful and good. When there was practical going on, I got a ECM to repair from customer side. So I have taken the ECM sir gave me to do, find out the fault. So I said okay sir, so I took the ECM and I have sort out the problem. So I told the sir to, sir, this is the problem, and I said, so yeah, okay, so I have done, so I have done with that repair with the help of sir. So I asked him, sir, whether it is good or not, whether I did correct it or corrected. So sir said, yeah, okay, yeah, you're well fine. So I made it. Today is my last day, so I finished my training. Today is 25th day, last day. So I'm taking my certificates and going to my native place. So thank you so much.